Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best rear-view mirror glue is probably one of the most important adhesives you'll ever use for your car, ensuring the safety and functionality of your rear-view mirror. A strong, reliable bond is crucial for clear visibility while driving, and choosing the right glue can prevent accidents and costly repairs. In this video, we'll explore the top rear-view mirror glues on the market, comparing their strengths, weaknesses, and ease of application to help you find the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Permatex 81844 Adhesive. Need a strong hold for your rearview mirror? This professional strength adhesive is the perfect solution for a lasting repair. It provides a superior bond, ensuring your mirror stays securely in place. Say goodbye to wobbly mirrors. Application is simple and straightforward, making it easy for anyone to use. Get a professional-looking finish with minimal effort. This isn't your average adhesive, it's designed for professional results. It's built to last. It comes in a compact package, making it easy to store and transport. You'll always have it on hand when you need it. This product is manufactured in China, meeting high-quality standards. Enjoy peace of mind with this reliable adhesive. Remember the part number 81844 for easy ordering and identification. Find it at your local auto parts store. What we like. It's a reliable choice for a strong and lasting bond. If you need a durable solution without breaking the bank, this is it. This adhesive is perfect for those seeking a simple, effective, and budget-friendly option for their rearview mirror. What people say. It works great. Tips: mark the top of the mirror mounting button. When you reinstall the mirror mounting button, it is important that it is right side up and the smooth side faces the windshield. Used this to put two rear-view mirrors on a few years ago that fell off from extreme heat. They're both still held on good. Very good adhesive strength, but to avoid risk of breaking off the button, I removed a few thousandths from the back of the button and a couple of thousandths from each side of the button. There are two types of mirrors. One type has a spring steel clip that clings so tight to the sides of the button that you may risk breaking off the button as you try to push the mirror on. The other type of mirror has a set screw that tightens the mirror to the button, making the installation more reliable. Number 4. 3M08749 Mirror Adhesive. It's a high-bond adhesive designed for rearview mirrors. Its strong hold ensures a secure and lasting mount. This two-part acrylic system provides exceptional adhesion. It's built to withstand even the toughest conditions. It performs exceptionally well in high temperatures and humid environments. Say goodbye to mirror slippage. It's resistant to moisture, chemicals, vibration, and impact. It's the ultimate solution for a secure mirror mount. Application is simple and straightforward. You'll have your mirror securely mounted in minutes. It cures in about 15 minutes, depending on the conditions. Get back on the road quickly and safely. What we like. It boasts excellent resistance to extreme conditions. If you live in an area with high temperatures or humidity, or need a fast-drying adhesive, this is the one for you. Its durability makes it ideal for demanding environments. What people say. 3M quality as usual. Take the time to read the instructions for proper use, then after that it is very fast and easy to use. It's a two-step process. 1. Apply the activator. This is very runny stuff that's blue. You swab it on both surfaces, then wait 5 minutes. 2. Apply the adhesive. This is thicker stuff that you apply only to mounting button, not the windshield. Hold down for a minute. The mounting button should stay stuck on. Wait about 15 minutes and slide your mirror on. Perfect bond for rear view mirror mount for all type of cars. It bonds quickly and makes very strong bond in 1 minute. All you need is, you should follow instructions clearly to get perfect results. Number 3. VersaChem 11109 Adhesive. Introducing the VersaChem 11109 Rear View Mirror Adhesive. It provides a lasting, reliable bond for your mirror, ensuring a secure and safe driving experience. Application is simple and straightforward. It's designed for a quick and easy installation. Get your mirror securely mounted in minutes. This adhesive creates a strong, durable bond. It's built to withstand the elements and vibrations of the road, keeping your mirror firmly in place. It's perfect for various rearview mirrors. It's suitable for a wide range of vehicles and mirror types, providing a reliable solution for all your needs. VersaChem is known for its high-quality products. This adhesive is no exception, offering superior performance. You can trust it for a long-lasting, secure fit. It comes in a compact package, measuring 7.68 L x 2.24 W x 0.55 H inches and weighing only 0.02 pounds. It's easy to store and transport. What we like. This is a great all-around option that's easy to find. If you prioritize convenience and a good balance of quality and price, this is a solid choice. It's suitable for various automotive applications. What people say. Followed the directions precisely and let it set a couple days to cure just to be sure, and so far the mirror is holding firm and haven't had any issues with it falling off the windshield. Worked perfectly. My mirror fell off. Old 3M tape gave up the ghost, so I wanted a more permanent mounting solution. Reviews online indicated this was a great value, set fast, with good adhesion. And it's all true. Update: 5 years later, 2023, the mirror is still holding strong, through many furnace Texas summers. Number 2. Loctite 37438 Mirror Adhesive. This is the Loctite 37438 Rearview Mirror Adhesive Kit. It's a simple solution for a secure mirror mount. It provides a strong, lasting bond, ensuring your mirror stays securely in place. No more wobbly mirrors. The kit is designed for easy application. You'll have your mirror firmly attached in minutes. This convenient 2-pack gives you extra adhesive for multiple mirrors or repairs. It's great value for your money. It offers a reliable hold, even on bumpy roads. Enjoy a clear, stable view with confidence. You can trust the Loctite name for quality and reliability. It's the smart choice for your rearview mirror. What we like. This offers a precise and controlled application for a strong, lasting bond. If you value accuracy in a professional-grade result, this is a superior option. It's perfect for those who want a reliable, high-quality solution. What people say. Still holding after a month. Perfectly reapplied mirror to windshield. Application was easy and my rear view mirror felt sturdy right away. Number 1. ACDelco GM10 to 1010 Mirror Glue Kit. It's perfect for attaching interior trim and small body panels. This glue provides a strong, lasting bond for a professional finish. It's designed for a faster cure time on smaller parts, saving you valuable time. Get the job done quickly and efficiently. This versatile adhesive is great for spoilers, ground effects, and even headlight buckets. It's the ideal solution for various automotive applications. For even faster results, you can speed up the curing process with heat. It's a simple way to get a quicker, more efficient bond. It provides a long-lasting, reliable bond for all your automotive trim needs. Count on it for a professional and durable repair. This kit is simple to apply, making it perfect for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Get professional results with ease. What we like. It provides a rapid cure time, ideal for quick repairs. If you need a fast-drying adhesive for various interior automotive components, this is the right choice. Its versatility and OEM quality make it a reliable option for various bonding needs. What people say. My rearview mirror fell off and I bought this adhesive to glue it back on, and it's been 3 months now and it hasn't fallen off. I work long shifts, so my car is out in the heat for the whole day and it's been great. This is the best glue I have used so far. Just follow the instructions, they are clearly written and easy to understand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.